Hi, I'm Nathan Scrovey, Director of Product Development here at Sullivan's, and I'm thrilled to present Christmas Botanical. And as you can see by the tree here, how beautifully it is done here, adorned with the ornaments and all of the luscious botanicals for the Christmas season. The glass, all the different textures of ornaments, from clear to red to green and to multi-patterned, really reflect that holiday season. The fresh cut segment additions that we're working with this holiday season are featured in this collection, where you see the hollies, the amaryllis, the poinsettias. All of those fresh cuts are added to this tree. The pottery, really beautiful red pottery, which are nice accents to the holiday season. Many different shapes and sizes, as you can see here, of the red pottery, but really, really beautiful accents to this collection. The pre-mades in this collection, the juxtaposed position wreath up here that you can see on the top mantle, really, really fun with the amaryllis, and then the pine cones and the berries. The garland here adorning the fireplace, and then the furnishing pieces, the bench and the chair, really, really nice red accents to celebrate the holiday season. The Santa Claus here with the velvet, really beautifully done, adorned with a little bit of the red poinsettia swag in the front, but very, very elegant and sophisticated for the holiday season. The tabletop in here, we have a really nice grouping of tabletop, celebrating again the botanical nature of the amaryllis, the poinsettia, the holly. You'll see it in a snack plate, you'll see it in a dinner plate, and also in a big serving platter, which is a very nice set. The bowls, the coffee mug, I love the coffee mugs here with this little scalloped handle. It gives you lots of fun detail, but really, really nice pattern on that as well. We've taken that same pattern and added it to the Santa Claus, where it's all sculpted in relief, where you've done the amaryllis and the poinsettias, but you can see how it's all hand painted, hand embellished, and then glittered fine details along the trims of the Santa Claus, which really give it a nice elevated style. Up here, the wall art with the Merry Christmas, with the holly, really true core holiday wall art, but very, very fun and festive for the holiday season. The little mini trees in the pots are some of our best sellers. Really, really, really fun in different shapes and sizes, but those have little tiny red balls on them. Very fun for a nice little wall shelf trim. Over here, we've got a Santa Claus with the reindeer, which is really, really nice. This is all hand sculpted, all intricate details, where the deer is with Santa Claus on the same scene, and then Jingle All the Way is embossed on the bottom, then just dusted with that beautiful bit of glitter to really bring out the details. One more thing to talk about is our lighted things. We have a lot of lighted things in each one of our collections, but this one is just some fun lighted jars with a really botanical print on the front. But you can see how it illuminates that light for the holidays, and lighting is always a key factor for the holiday collections. The lanterns as well. So many things to talk about within Christmas Botanical to grace your home for the holidays.